What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, no, that's not it. That's really not it. So we are gearing up to go back to school. I know, girl, I'm not excited either, but I am excited for these hairstyles. So I am going to show you guys a quick every day. You can actually dress this up or down. You can wear it to the club if you want to, but it's a really good back to school look. Ponytail. You guys have probably seen this method before, and I'm going to show you guys how I do my ponytail and any tips and stuff that I've learned from other YouTubers. I'll let you guys know that as well. If we're gonna be completely honest, college lecture days, I would definitely just roll out of bed like this. Maybe do makeup, probably not, but maybe. And the hair would just be like this. But if you want to put a little bit more effort in and actually kind of look a little cute, a little maybe you got a presentation, you know, they tell you to dress up, look nice. If it's presentation day and you just want to rock a ponytail or something, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So if you want to know how to look cute, how to transform this into a cute little ponytail, keep on watching. Do y'all see this? My eczema is definitely coming back. You got eczema? What's on them bumps? So this is the hair we are going to be using today. It's from Klaiyi, Hawaii, Kauai. I don't really know. I've heard it pronounced 500 different ways. I'm going to say it's Klaiyi. But we don't know. But it is very affordable hair, so I will have all of the links in the description box below. Be sure to check that out. This is the cute little box. It says for your beauty here, and then on the back it gives you some guidelines and tips for washing your hair, storing your hair, all that good stuff. So let's go. So I ordered 3 bundles of Brazilian natural wave in 16 inches, and this is what it came out looking like. And I was like, this is not 16 inches. This is a good like 10, 12. This is like 12. I thought it was like 12, 14. But then I got my measuring tape. We measured it at 6. It's actually like 17 inches. Okay, girl, give me an extra inch. So this is what the hair looks like up close. It's nice, you know, it's for the price. I think this is actually very decent hair. It's actually pretty moisturized. It's not dry or anything like that. The ends aren't amazing, I won't lie, but they're not terrible. Like, I've had worse, so I'm not really complaining. I do like it, and like I said, it is affordable hair, so I will have that all linked below. As you can see, this one is still wrapped. So we are going to be taking these bundles and making them into a ponytail. If you want to do 2, do it. Okay, so step 1 is to get all of this together. So we're going to take it out of this messy bun that we have. It's not even like, I don't know what was happening with me. I was fighting last night. I didn't even sleep well. Not like fighting, but like in my dream, like I couldn't sleep. And so yeah, girl. Ooh. Now I'm not gonna lie, my hair is not even clean, so you know, we're kind of looking a mess, but it's whatever. It's totally fine. There's definitely flakes flying too. So you want to take any type of, if you want to gel your hair back, okay, grease it back, whatever you want to do. I'm not going to use gel today. I'm going to actually use my Tresemme mousse, which I never use this stuff, but I do want it slicked back. Like, I don't have Eco Styler gel or anything like that, even though I know that one's canceled. Yes. So we're going to be using that. And I'm also going to be taking this brush, which I've had since I was like a fetus. I'm not even kidding. I think this is the longest thing I've had with me that I still use. Okay, so we shake this up. Ugh. Am I doing this right? Now we're just gonna take this, pat it together, and put this on my dry hair. I think you're actually supposed to use this when your hair is damp, but this is what we're gonna do today. Excellent. Now, take your brush and you want to pull this tight. You know, kind of have a headache, like you're in class and you're like, sorry teacher, can't learn, have a headache, gotta go to the nurse. That's how you get out of class. I'm terrible. It's for me, because you don't want this to, I do have a mirror. Oh, I do have a mirror behind the camera. You want to be snatched, sis, snatched. So it's up to you, like what height you want your ponytail at. So once it's in a ponytail like that, you then want to make it into a really small bun. Some people will do a bigger bun, but I don't know, I like mine better with a smaller bun. And of course it's going to be more difficult like if you have thicker hair. Luckily my hair is really, really thin, so we can get a little we can get this little baby bun like this. And I just tie that on top and make a little baby bun. See? It's a little baby bun. You can bobby pin it down too. Alright, so that's our tight little baby bun. So now you have one of your bundles like this, and then you want to take the side that's not connected. As you can see, ooh, This is where it's looped on this side, so it's connected. But you want to take the side that's not connected. I learned this little trick from Tiara. So just take like this much hair out of the side that's not connected, and you're going to use this to wrap around the bun. Doing this, and just wrap this around. Just bobby pin that there. There we go. And now we're ready to go. So now we've got the rest of the hair, and we're just gonna wrap that around the bun until we reach the bottom of the weft. It's a lot of head turning and bobbing and stuff, but so we've reached the bottom of the weft, and we're just gonna bobby pin that. And I do want my ponytail to be a little bit thicker, so I am gonna go in with another weft. So I did go in with a little bit of water on the ponytail just to make it look a little bit longer, because like I said, I got 16 inches and I feel like maybe 20 would have been better for like the look I was trying to achieve. So I did use a little bit of water to stretch it out, and then we will go back in with some mousse. So another trick you can do is to add a bobby pin connecting the sides you connected, connecting the sides that are separated, that aren't connected. Just add a bobby pin, and then you can bobby pin that up and then wrap it around. So I think there's like 4 bobby pins in my ponytail right now, and it doesn't hurt, like it's not heavy or anything. Okay, so doing the same thing, we're just gonna wrap it around the ponytail we already made. Like I said, it's gonna be a lot of head flipping and hair flipping, and once you've reached the end of that, you can bobby pin there as well. So now that we've got 2 wefts in, we don't want this to be showing. So if you do have like a scrunchie, that would be cool. But what we're gonna do is take a small section out of the back, and then we're just gonna wrap it around so it looks like fake hair around hair. You guys have seen this look before. So I'm just gonna take a section about this wide and wrap that around the whole ponytail. So this will cover that section. You see that? And then again, just bobby pin it. So I am gonna take some more water. I literally put it in this vase and use this to stretch out these curls a little bit, and then we'll use some more mousse after. Shake this up a little, add a little bit more mousse. Just using like that amount. And then we're gonna put that through the curls. This hair really is like incredibly soft, so I appreciate them for that, to be affordable and soft. I am taking my flyaway tamer. So we've reached the point where you can just do the final touch-ups if you want to do your baby hairs, if you have flyaways still like me, and that slicks all of that back to hold all day. You know, school, it's a long day. Even work, it's a long day. So you want to make sure that's all slicked down. If you do want to play with your baby hairs a little, to make sure those are, oh, where are you trying to go? Okay, so I got a little gel. This gel is hard as a rock. Ugh, I need more gel. I need more like edge control. Brush out the baby hairs a little. Yes. There you go. So you got your baby hairs, you got your ponytail, and you were done, girl. So that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, questions, concerns about how tight this ponytail is, please let me know in the comment section below. I will have all of the hair links and handles and everything in the description box, so be sure to check that out. If you're new here, don't forget to press that subscribe button. And I thank you guys again for watching. Good luck this school year. Slay if you want to rock a ponytail. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.